Good morning. Welcome to a video on understanding rules of rotation. My main aim in creating this video is to dispel certain notions, some confusion with regards to understanding how rotations work. So I aim to show you two ways of doing it. One is the way of actually rotating, physically rotating an object. Second is through the application of rules of rotation. So, in order for us to be successful at rotations, we need to know three things. First is the direction, which is either counterclockwise, which is opposite to how a clock moves, and that's this way. This is the acronym used is CCW. And the other direction is clockwise. So the clockwise is how a clock moves. So the acronym for that is CW, and the way a clock typically moves is this way. So that's your clockwise motion. Now, how do we write these notations? Counterclockwise is denoted by a positive sign, so that would be R positive. So you're talking about positive, meaning counterclockwise direction, and negative, R, which stands for rotation. Rotation negative is clockwise direction. The second thing that you've got to know are the degrees. So the degrees that we are going to explore through these video are 90, 180, and 270 degrees. Please do note that 360-degree rotation is really coming back to the same spot. So it's a trick question. The third thing that you've got to know is location. So in order for us to be successful with location, we need to be able to determine our quadrants every time we perform a rotation operation. Now, um, the center where two axes meet, which is x and y, is known as the origin, and the coordinates of the origin are given by 0, 0. Um, all the values towards the right of the origin are positive when you're talking about the horizontal axis. So that's x. This way is all positive. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And all the values towards the left going this way are negative. So this is x negative. And values along the vertical direction, which is up and down, all the values from the origin going up are positive y, and all the values going down are negative y. So as far as our quadrants go, quadrants also follow counterclockwise direction. So we go this way. This is quadrant 1. In quadrant 1, values of x is positive, value of y is also positive. In the next quadrant is quadrant 2. This is Roman numeral quadrant 2. Here we've got x as negative and y as positive. Quadrant 3, we've got both the values as negative. So x is negative, y is negative. And finally, in quadrant 4, you've got x as positive and y as negative. So that's the conceptual understanding that you need to have for physically rotating an object.